If you want to locate your iPhone using an Android device with Find My iPhone feature, so first of all, on your iPhone, open up your settings, open up your Apple ID, open up your Find My option, and make sure that Find My iPhone option is turned on and your Share My Location is turned on as well. We will need it. After that, you have to open up your Google or any kind of browser which you are using, right? And you have to search for iCloud.com. iCloud.com. Great, press search. And in this website, you have to press sign in. So here you have to enter your email or phone number of that Apple ID on your iPhone, right? Great, press next. Now you have to enter your password. So after that, you will be prompted for two-factor authentication, and if you don't have any access to your trusted device, scroll down and press Find Devices option. Alright, so here is your device, right? You can find it. Sometimes you may need to re-enter your Apple ID password for security information, and here you'll see where your iPhone was tracked the last time. Easy as that. After that, you can press on your device, so choose it, and there you'll have a couple options. So play sound, trigger a sound to help locate your iPhone if it's nearby, lost mode, activate lost mode to lock the device and display a message, your contact information on the screen, or erase your iPhone. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing on our channel.